Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a birthday card. Let's begin by mentioning the things you cannot do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. The artwork on this template is the cupcake and the social media icons. Everything else on the template can be modified. You can change the color of the background, the color of the text, the size. You can change the color of the bottom shape. This section and the one below it are grouped. So if you want to ungroup it, you click on it and just click ungroup on the top right. And now you should be able to click on each section. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. Let's remove the placeholder and upload our logo. This logo has a transparent background, so it's going to blend in with the color of the background. If you have a logo with a color background, what you want to do is go to Elements, go to the section called Frames, click on the circle, click on your logo and drag. And now it's going to blend in perfectly well with background color. You have the Spanish template below and your social media icons on the last page. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching and you guys have a fabulous day.